Hey, it's Rory with searchandchow.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A7. So, while everybody's raving about Samsung's brand new quad camera Galaxy A9, Samsung Malaysia actually just announced pre-order details for their triple camera Samsung Galaxy A7. And yes, the screen is on because this phone was already unboxed. I kept it in the box for this video because theatrics. Anyway, so here is everything you need to know about that pre-order. So first things first, this is a mid-range smartphone. It's the Galaxy A series and it's the brand new A7 2018. That means it has mid-range specs. So up front, there is a 6-inch Super AMOLED display that pushes a Full HD resolution. Looks pretty good, sharp and contrasty as per Samsung's usual. And inside you've got a Exynos 7885 octa-core processor that's clocked at 2.2 GHz, mated to 4 gigs of RAM and a generous 128 gigs of internal storage. If that's not enough, you can actually take advantage of the dedicated micro SD slot in this phone. Yes, this phone has a triple SIM tray, so it means you can have two nano SIMs and a micro SD card slot running at the same time, so you can get an extra 512 gigs of storage. At the back, keeping this device running is a 3300 mAh battery. Not super big, but not super tiny as well. We're not sure how the battery life is on this device, so you have to stay tuned for the full review. But it is also a very pretty phone with this bling bling blue. But the highlight of this phone has to be the triple camera setup at the back. So there's 1, 2, 3 cameras, and each of it has its own purpose. So you have the main 24 megapixel f1.7 aperture sensor that will be taking all your usual photos, but then there's also an 8 megapixel ultra wide for when there's just simply not enough space for you to back up. And then there's the third sensor, which is a 5 megapixel sensor that's there to give you depth information for portrait photos. Up front, you're also getting a 24 megapixel f2.0 camera for your selfies, because everybody loves really detailed selfies. That's why beauty mode is such a thing, isn't it? But a couple of bummer things about this phone. Despite looking so pretty, it doesn't have that A class, that Galaxy A level kind of premium feel. It is a bit light, which is not like something I'm that interested in, but it's still ergonomic, so I guess bonus points there. But you have to charge it with a micro USB port, so that is kind of annoying. I mean, come on, 2018 guys. And the final thing that I don't like about it is that, as you'll notice, there's no fingerprint scanner at the back, there's no fingerprint scanner in front. You know where the fingerprint scanner is? It is at the side. It means reliably you can only use one finger to unlock it. But good news is it's kind of reliable in a Samsung fashion, so it's not that bad of a deal. I will have to test it out first before I pass my final judgment, so stay tuned for that. So in Malaysia, you'll be able to buy this smartphone in one of 3 colors, and that is blue, that is black, and that is gold. Unfortunately, we won't be getting the really pretty pink color, which is kind of a bummer because that color is quite nice. But hey, look, blue's pretty nice too, if you don't mind a whole bunch of fingerprints. This phone will be available for pre-orders starting the 15th of October, which will run all the way to the 21st of October. So from the 15th to 21st, you can pre-order this phone, and if you do so, you get a bunch of goodies worth 302 ringgit. That includes a selfie stick, it includes a thermos mug, which is pretty cool, or warm. Not sure what thermos mugs do, but yeah, that's it. And you also get a Samsung screen protection plan worth 112 ringgit. So pretty cool goodies for the pre-order. Oh, and of course, this smartphone will be priced at 1,299 ringgit, which smacks it right in that mid-range point. And it's honestly pretty affordable for a Samsung Galaxy A series smartphone. It's a reasonable price, surprisingly. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A7 pre-order in Malaysia. Let me know what you think of this smartphone. You like it? Yay, nay, hey? You can say hey. That's all for me for this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell icon so that you know whenever we post a brand new video. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and keep your browser locked to searchandchow.com for the most refreshing servings of tech news. Until the next video, I'm Rory and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.